Hello everyone! Today we are making incredibly delicious stuffed mushrooms in the air fryer. First, make sure your mushrooms are clean. Then, we are going to carefully remove the stems. Just give them a gentle push and a little twist, and they will pop right out. Set the caps aside for later. Now, whatever you do, don't throw away those stems. We are going to chop them into very fine pieces. These will form the incredibly flavorful base for our cream cheese filling. Next, take a small onion and dice it up just as finely. The finer you chop, the better the texture will be. Let's get our air fryer ready. Add the chopped mushroom stems and onions right into the basket. Drizzle with a little bit of oil, give it a quick mix, and pop the basket into the air fryer. We are going to roast this at 400 degrees Fahrenheit or 200 degrees Celsius for 5 minutes. Just look at that beautiful roasted color. Transfer the mixture into a glass bowl. Now, add 1 generous tablespoon of cream cheese to the warm mixture. For a fresh pop of color and flavor, finely chop some fresh chives and add them straight to the bowl. Crush 1 fresh clove of garlic in there as well, because let's be honest, you can never have too much garlic. Season everything with a good pinch of salt and freshly ground black pepper. Give it all a really good stir until the cream cheese melts and everything is perfectly combined. Now for the fun part. Take your mushroom caps and stuff them generously with our creamy filling. Place the stuffed mushrooms back into the air fryer. Make sure to leave a little space between each one. We will air fry these at 400 degrees Fahrenheit or 200 degrees Celsius for 8 minutes. While they are cooking, let's freshly grate some mountain cheese. You can use any melty cheese you love. Time's up, take them out. They are already looking amazing and smelling incredible. Top each mushroom cap with a nice little mountain of that freshly grated cheese. Pop them back in for a final 5 minutes at the same temperature to get that cheese perfectly melted and bubbly. And there you have it, the ultimate mouth-watering air fryer stuffed mushrooms. Let's cut into one. Look at how perfectly tender and incredibly cheesy that is inside. Absolutely perfect. Give it a try and enjoy.